Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bumble app. First, open the Bumble application in your mobile device. On the homepage, you'll see the profiles of other people on Bumble. Swipe down to view their photos and description. If you like someone's profile, swipe right to like them. If you don't like the profile, swipe left to dislike them. If you both swipe right on each other, you'll get a match and can chat by going to the messages icon on the bottom right. If you don't match, you won't be able to chat with each other. So just be patient and take risks, hoping that you will find your great match. And make sure to use it properly and carefully. Enjoy! Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.